Cancun Fertility Center and International Patient Facilitators brings you closer to parenthood with the help of trustworthy, qualified, professional infertility specialists in Cancun, Mexico. International Patient Facilitators is privileged to help countless couples and singles navigate the complex journey of infertility with the highly qualified, fully bilingual team of Dr. Jose Gaitan. We offer an extraordinary IVF experience in Cancun, Mexico, with every detail organized for you. The IVF journey to becoming a parent can be overwhelming. Where do I start? Who do I trust? Am I a candidate for IVF treatment? Can I afford IVF in Mexico? Answers to these questions and many more you'll find here with us at International Patient Facilitators and the Fertility Center, Cancun. We are a unique and multifaceted fertility clinic providing our patients with comprehensive information, testing, and treatment. The Fertility Center Cancun is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and advanced medical equipment and is designed for optimal use of space and convenience for patients, IVF specialists, and team members. You are treated with respect and dignity in a friendly and comfortable, fully bilingual environment. You'll get your answers in a timely fashion. Finally, an IVF center that speaks your language in a beautiful location with professional, helpful staff. We have affordable IVF packages and IVF with egg donor packages. Our packages include treatment, all medications, post-transfer embryo support, ground transportation, laser acupuncture, accommodations beachfront, personal bilingual assistance, all in a destination that is easy to get to and safe to enjoy. Experience the magic of parenthood with a little help from modern science with Dr. Jose Gaitan and his team at the Fertility Center, Cancun.